This is Mike from Taylorleds, and we are based in China, Shenzhen, and we focus on designing and manufacturing LED display solutions. Here at ISE, we are showing a couple LED solutions. On the top, you can see a LED cube, 5-sided. On the corner, it's a 45-degree corner panel, and in the middle, it's a standard panel. Those are all die-cast panels, so they are accurate, strong, and lightweight. And if you come closer a little bit, you can see a triangle screen. In the middle, it's a standard die-cast 500 rental panel. And on the side, there are 8 triangle panels, 4 on each side. The triangle is one of the add-ons for our rental product. We have other add-ons like the quarter circle panel, 90-degree panel, and the soft module panel. And if you look at the ground, you can see a dance floor in 3.9mm pixel pitch with a glossy glass cover. We can also change the glass cover to matte depending on customer request. When we remove the glass cover, we can turn this into a regular video wall, just like the middle screen. And if we come to the side, we can see a LED column. This is made out of the flexible soft module. It's compatible with the standard rental panel, the straight wall, and we can, because the module is soft, we can make it into different radius. So this is our booth. For more information, please visit us at taylorleds.com. Thank you.